Hello, good morning, girls. Today we discuss about the special type of price discrimination. John Robinson has examined a special type of price discrimination when the monopolist enjoys protection in the democratic market but faces competition in the international market. In this situation, the monopolist so regulate his scale that the marginal revenue of the domestic market, which is monopoly market due to production, is equal to the price in the foreign market, which is a competitive market. It is so because the marginal revenue in both the markets are equal to the price in the foreign market, and the marginal cost of the total output is equal to the price of the competitive market. It should be noted that in the competitive market, P is equal to MC is equal to MR, while in the monopoly market, MC is equal to MR, but P is greater than MC. Now we discuss through diagram. In the diagram, D1 is the demand curve in the domestic market, and its marginal revenue curve is MR1. D2 is the demand curve in the international market, and since it a competitive market, its demand curve is horizontal. D2 is therefore both marginal revenue and average revenue curve. Total output of the monopolist is determined by the equality of marginal cost of the total output, MC curve, and the marginal revenue curve of the competitive market. Price in the competitive foreign market is P2 Q2 and OQ1 part of the total output. OQ is sold in the domestic market at the price of P1 Q2 Q1, which is the determined by the equating MR1 to MR2. The rest of the output Q1Q is sold in the foreign market. The following important points emerge from this discussion. Number one, marginal revenue is equal in both markets, yani MR1 is equal to MR2. Number two, in the foreign market, which is competitive market, P is equal to MC. And third, in the domestic market, which is monopoly market, P is greater than MC. Two conditions are necessary for price discrimination to occur. Number one, the monopolist must be able to keep the market apart. If this is not possible, when this product will be produced in the market with the lower price and sold in the market with the higher price, ignoring out the price differentials which the monopolist tries to establish. Number two, price discrimination is profitable when the elasticities of the demand at each price level differs among the markets. A point more elaborately, to understand full and okay girls.